What's up to my GC crew? Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I am so amped and hyped up because we're reviewing Sienna Naturals. This brand was founded by Hannah Joe, and it now has a new face in the mix because our very own Issa Rae is now the co-founder and the face of this brand. My hair is sensitive. I am protein sensitive. I am very particular about what I put onto my hair. So just particularly trying out this plant power moisture and protein repair hair mask, I'm nervous. So if you fall into that bucket, just take this ride with me. Come on, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Come on in the room. My hair is sectioned off. The camera just cut. I just put a little shampoo on this side. I elected not to pre-poo my hair because this is a cleansing shampoo, so I want to see if this is really stripping or not. Adding a pre-poo treatment creates a protective layer, and I don't want it to skew my opinion on thinking that the shampoo is not doing something when in all reality it was kind of the pre-poo that created that buffer. So just going to add some to my hand. Have this amount. Unclip this like so. I love the smell. I love the smell. So I'm getting like a slight mint smell, but it's not overpowering to the point where it makes you want to pass out, and I don't feel that over tingly sensation on my scalp. So in terms of slip, I would say the slip is okay. I detangle my hair beforehand. I am getting a few little snags or whatever, but I didn't do a super deep detangling session. So, okay, so I massage the shampoo on my scalp and of course dragged it down the full length of my hair. Yes, I do that. The first thing that I'm noticing, and not that I by any means look for this in a shampoo, is that my curls are already clumping, and for me that is definitely a good sign. Okay guys, so I washed it out and this is my hair. My hair feels so lightweight. It's so fluffy as well. Ooh. Again, this was a cleansing shampoo, so I'm not really expecting any definition at this stage or anything like that. Another thing, it actually does cleanse. I can feel it on my hair. My hair does not feel stripped. It's not like that squeaky clean. You know, I know some people really like that. I don't like that. So I feel like the piece in their marketing that says that it cleanses without stripping, I agree with that. And for the next product, I am using the Plant Power. This is marketed as a protein and moisture repair, intensely hydrating treatment mask that uses plant powered technology to restore hair's natural moisture protein balance. I am so happy to hear a natural hair care brand marketing their products as such and emphasizing that you need a moisture and protein balance. So this just lets me know that it doesn't lean too much on the protein treatment, and it doesn't lean too much on being more moisturizing as a deep conditioner. It has more of like a strengthening treatment effect. That's what I'm anticipating. So once I open it up, this is the first thing that I see. I'm not too fond of the scent. Let me know, you guys. I'm not too fond of the scent, but this is the consistency. So not too droopy. So it's not too thick. It's not too droopy. So I'm just gonna go ahead for an even distribution. I should have grabbed my clips before I did this to section off my hair, but let me grab my clip. Yes, I make sure to get the insides of my sections as well, because we definitely have a tendency to just put the product on, like, slap, bring it down, okay, good to go. No, you have to make sure that it's worked in there. We did this throughout my hair, looking good, curls still clumping or whatever. The instructions prompt you to cover with a shower cap and allow to penetrate for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can comb through hair with fingertips or a wide tooth comb and then rinse with cool water. So I don't know about no shower cap, but I'm taking my Wegmans bags. You guys don't know how much I have been loving like these little quick treatments or whatever. Quick moment for just a slight little rant. I think that so many products have gotten used to saying like, oh, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, that people were pretty afraid to start saying like, oh, you only need something for 15 minutes, you only need it for 3 minutes, like a 3-minute quick step, 5 to 10 minutes, that kind of thing. The reality is the science behind a lot of these products shows that after a certain point of time, there's no extra benefit that a product being on your hair could possibly add to the health of your hair or just overall manageability. So that's why a lot of the time when people tend to say like, oh, I leave my deep conditioner on for like 2 hours, I've never understood that, because typically most of the time after 30 minutes, like, you're good to go. There's no added benefit. So I can just appreciate the fact that they're really just saying like 5 to 10 minutes you'll be good, as opposed to just going with the generic 30. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this out of my hair. Guys, so I am out of the shower. The instructions on the plant power said to rinse with cool water. However, I did not rinse with cool. I rinsed with lukewarm because I do have low porosity hair. If I rinsed with cool, my hair cuticles would close, not allowing moisture to seep through. And I still do have to do the leave-in conditioning step. So for the next step, I am using the Do Magic leave-in conditioner cream. Do Magic, I think that's so cute, like Zoo Magic girl, zoo you. So I have a little bit on my hand. It is really lightweight. I love that as well. You guys know, for low porosity hair, lightweight products work really well. So for my last step, I am adding in the Lock and Seal anti-breakage styling oil. Some of the main oils in here are grapeseed oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and then a few other oils that don't really stand out to me. But what I will say, grapeseed oil has a tendency to be a more lightweight oil. However, the fact that castor oil is included in that, castor oil is one of the thickest oils, if not the thickest. So I definitely can see how this is, you know, a lock and seal oil. So I'm actually going to take us into the bathroom where the lighting is better. I'm going to put a little scrunchie here to give myself a little middle do. Very much childish, but yeah guys, this is my hair. So for final thoughts, you know, I like this hair care brand. I like it. A good initial reaction. So the shampoo, let me just pull this out while I'm speaking to it. So the shampoo is great at cleansing, not too stripping. If anything, I would think that I use a moisturizing shampoo and not a cleansing shampoo, but this is not a deep cleanser, so I think the amount of cleansing that it provided was really good. As far as the plant power, protein, and moisture repair, I would rate this honestly an A+. My hair feels great. This is a hydrating treatment that they figured out how to also make it have some protein effect in it, so I can really appreciate that, because people are constantly like over moisturizing their hair and never really thinking about having that balance of also providing strengthening to the hair as well. In terms of the leave-in conditioner, I liked it. The one thing I will say is I've had certain leave-in conditioners that seem to just soak up into my hair immediately when I put it on, but you know, that's not really a bad thing. It feels really good. The one thing I will say is it is lightweight, and almost lightweight that you can't even feel it. I know there are some people that do not like that. They like to actually feel like, you know, their products are really there. So if you're one of those people, maybe this wouldn't be for you, but for a low porosity natural and just a natural that likes lightweight products, it works well, especially if you're not putting this in for the purpose of styling. There are some people that do wash and goes where it's more so like wash your hair, put in leave-in, and go about your business. This would not be like a leave-in conditioner that's good for a wash and go in my opinion, but it is a good lightweight leave-in conditioner. And then lastly, for the Lock and Seal anti-breakage styling oil, it feels well. My only real way to assess the oil is, does it make my scalp itch? No, my scalp doesn't itch, but I've only had this on my hair for a little bit now. And then also, does it make my hair feel like super sticky or anything? I would say no to that. And I can really appreciate the applicator bottle. Again, I'll show you guys. It just easily falls out, okay? I'm just gonna apply that there because again, it is no hair product left behind. Ooh, look at that. Feels so good. And then those are all of the products, and I will say that it also comes with these two little scrunchies. This reminds me so much of Issa. So actually, instead of me putting my own black scrunchie in, I should have used the scrunchie that was included in this pack. Giving very much childish vibes. So guys, let me know what you think. I hope this tutorial was informative, giving you guys an initial reaction as well. Again, super happy to see another brand trailblazing through the natural hair care space. And that's all, folks.